Chimo! I just hope you are not playing games with me this night. I am serious. Where are you? Ngo! Ngo! Ngo!
Because of our land. Why me? Where will I find my wife? Oh! Swim.
What happened to you? What? Where have you been? Hey! Umudim! I don't know what happened to my wife.
No, but please, I'm the noble. I show you what I'm sure to you.
Elmo, please help me. My wife went into the night to ease herself. I returned this morning like this. Elmo, please. I understand the goals of my forefathers will not disappoint me. That's why I came to you. Please help me.
Eji emoji ogaranya na aga meje. Bana ashe m gbota juvuta ogaranya na eka ma dowe. Mata vunye na enu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya nya. Udo. You speak wisely. The gods never forsake a man that demonstrates their faith. Ha! Hey!
Ezemo.
Oh, Kwalo!
Is everything alright?
The spirit rapist and killer is here again.
Ezemo, meaning that my wife is dead, eh?
Your wife is dead.
Amba! Hey! Ezemo, what did I do wrong? Mudino! Hey! Ezemo! Hey!
Yes. Oh, you sun that rises every morning, and oh, you gods of Umudim that makes the sun rise, may you shine well upon my very self and a few good men from this village. But all you sun and gods, may you strike dead all the wicked people from this village. Strike them down. In case you don't know all of them, I have all their names. Yes, I will name all of them for you one by one. The first wicked person I want you to strike dead on my list is
Kenechukwu. Yes, as you pray to the gods to strike down, know that you're the number one on the list.
Mama, do you want to overtake the gods on the highway of Ndimo? I'm separate.
Osi Anyanwu is separate. Osi Anyanwu is special. In short, Anyanwu personally.
Ma, please, I'm communicating with the gods.
Right, let me tell you, the sensible gods can never have any communication with you. They no do like you. It's only the foolish gods that can commune with you.
Mama, what you're doing is dangerous, so. What you're doing is dangerous. Do you want me to add you to the list of these wicked people the gods will strike dead?
Nah, your foolishness knows no bounds. So I don't blame you. Look at you. You're here. Your mates are
in the mortuary. Yes, those my mates you're talking about are in the mortuary. They are in the mortuary. All of them are in the mortuary. Some of them, they have hands, but they cannot raise their hands to eat okpa. Some of them have legs, but they cannot dance. Michael Jackson, they can't. Some of them have mouths, and they cannot sing.
Shut up! You're here doing Obikelele. Your mates are in the city, making money, sending money to their people. You're here drinking ogogoro and asking the gods to
strike them dead, strike all of them dead, strike them dead. Yes, strike all those city boys dead. Do you know how they make their money?
How do they make their money? How can you be here and know how they make their money in the city?
Mama, you should be proud of me. You should be proud of me. You wake up every morning, you look left, you see me.
Hey.
You look right, you see me. You go to the market square, you hear my story. You go to the farm, the animals will tell you my story. Those your friends who have their sons in the city, or some of those women who have their sons in the city, don't they tell you that they don't see their son in years? Hey. They don't see their sons in years? And the ones who see their sons Christmas time, those stupid boys will come here, they will do fashion parade for the girls. The next thing they'll get the girls pregnant. 9 months time, we'll hear the results in this village.
I want to hear results about you. Actually, no results about you, nothing from you. Look at Obiora. He has built a house for his father.
With evil money.
Ndubisi has sent his brothers to school.
With evil money.
Okechukwu has scholarship to go to
evil money. That's what all these boys are using. Evil money. Do you want me to be like them?
I want you to be better than them.
I'm better than them. I am much more better than them. I am better than those people.
Bestest. Look at you. They cannot do anything. Every morning you wake up, you go around running after rabbits, running after crickets, as if it's not enough. It's only a scout marching like idiot. Then those small girls you play with, the painful thing is that you don't even know their girls. You don't even see their Allah. Neither do you look at the uku. You don't even touch to know if it is real. You don't know anything. Mama, you see them as fellow boys.
Mama, please. Let me communicate with my gods. Please.
Hey.
Okay.
Shimo, what have I done to deserve this mercy?
Oh, you gods! Please forget about my mother just for now. Forget my mother for now. But strike dead all those wicked people. Strike them dead. Strike them. Strike them. All the wicked people from this village, in this village, strike them dead. The ones who are abroad, strike them dead who are wicked. The ones right here, strike them dead who are wicked. The ones living, even that are neighbors, strike him dead. Yes. They Bartholomew. Can you imagine? Just because I was climbing the mango tree in his compound, he now started cursing my mother, cursing my sister, cursing my generation. Hey. Don't worry. Hey. I know he will soon, one day he will beg me for bushmeat. Yes, I know.
Ekene.
Hey, Lagos boyoyo. Hey. Anna.
I do.
Chedo. Who told you I'm here?
Your sister, of course.
Ebere.
Yes. In fact, as a matter of fact, she brought me here. I just dropped her off now.
I'm good though. I'm okay.
Let's go somewhere cool and relax and discuss as friends now.
Huh? For what now? For what? Can't you see I'm busy? Huh? I'm busy.
What do you mean you're busy? Your friend came all the way from the city and want to go and chill and you're saying...
Okay, I am busy. I'm helping Ginika wash her mother's plates. You know, customers will soon come. Okay. Alright. Wow. I don't have time for shit now.
No, Lambert. Lambert.
Sorry.
How are you now?
Fine, fine. When did you come back?
Yesterday.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi.
Are you still in the village?
No, where will I be before?
You know, I was thinking by now you should be in the city now. You know, the other time I was in the city, I think I saw Felice, yes, and he was doing very well. You know, and I don't know. So, how is your mother?
De Lamba.
Say Lambert.
Lamba. How long have you been out of this village? In fact, how long have you been living in Cotonou?
All my life.
Good. What have you achieved?
By the grace of God, I'm still alive and...
Chero. When your mother died, did you come back? Wasn't it your mother's brother who buried her? No. When your father died, did you come back? Did you bury him? When your father died after sleeping with Iche Thompson's wife, and then the roof of his old house fell on him, did you come back?
I was not.
Wasn't it one small chicken you sent that is slightly bigger than the pigeon? You sent? No. We know you now. We know you. 2 years ago, when you came back here, you gave people bread. You gave them cabin biscuits. Then you gathered all the old women, and then you were giving them powder to be putting on their necks, on their faces. Who came? See here. There's bread here. We don't lack bread in this village.
I was just advising you now.
You understand? Don't ever advise me. Don't tell me anything. It's better for me to be here and catch bush meat than to be in Cotonou and not have anything. We are not lacking bread in this village. Come on, Zuza. Nonsense.
Ekene, the village lizard hunter.
Okay, don't call me lizard hunter again. No, that was when I was a child. Now I am a big boy. I am a bush rabbit hunter, official bush rabbit hunter of this village. Thank you. And again, no, don't think because you have bought one nonsense that moves now, you are better than me. Let me just tell you now.
My friend, has it gotten to that?
It has gotten to that. Yes, it has gotten to that. You just feel because you have gone to the city and just made one evil money, you are better than every other person.
Ekene, I did not stop here to quarrel with you. Okay. Besides, what gives you the impression, for Christ's sake, that my money is evil money?
It is simple mathematics. Yes, simple mathematics. In 2 years you left the village. You now went to the city. You now made money. How did you make money that you are now building house in the village and you bought this nonsense that moves? How did you make it if it's not even money?
You know your problem. You are so backwarded.
You too, you are forwarded. Yes, you are forwarded.
Yes, because if you are not, you should be able to understand what civilization has done.
Okay, tell me the work you did in 2 years. 2 years in the city, just 2 years, okay, that made you buy a car. And you are building house in the village. What kind of work did you do, okay?
Oh, Ekene. It is so sad that you not accept change.
You want me to change? I will never change like you. God will never allow me to change like you. I will never change like you, okay? I won't change. I won't change from being Ekene that I am to being a blood money shrine member like you. I won't. Never.
Oh, Ekene is so heartbreaking. I mean, so heartbreaking that my own childhood friend has no appetite for good living.
I am also ashamed that my childhood friend who used to be a mass server in the village church has gone to the city to become a blood money shrine usher. Yes, look at you. Okay, see now, you see the cross on your chest. Where is the Jesus on top? There's no Jesus on top, so you can be safe in your shrine. My friend, live here. Live here. Yeah, wait there, my friend. Okay, I know you. I know you. In 2 years, 2 years you left for the city, from the village. Your father died. Now, you have started building house and you bought this thing that moves you everywhere. Okay? If we look for Mama Okay this December.
You are mad.
Because I know that's your next target. Come on, get out. If we look for Mama Okay, if we look for Mama Okay, okay, if we look for Mama Okay, alright. This is it. I told you Mama Okay. It's yours.
Ekene bad boy, isi come come, efule fumwa. Ekene efule isi come come, bad boy. Ekene bad boy, isi come.
Igwe, long may you live. The travails and the death of Ngozi, the wife of Udo, has once brought us together, face to face with our common enemy. But you see, Igwe, we are mortals. How can we then contend with a rapist and a murderous spirit? Ezemo, I want to ask a question. Is it that the gods can no more come up to do something? Especially now that our people's life are being threatened? The gods, in their wisdom, will speak in due season. Of this full moon, the gods have promised to rescue us.
Ezemo. Well, I'm not in a place to question the decisions of the gods. But what do we do? What do we do before the fullness of the moon? This rapacious spirit, once it starts, does not stop until it devours and consumes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 souls. Ha! He consumed my beloved in his last outing.
Ezemo, you are the only one who can speak to the gods in the language they understand. Tell them we are waiting impatiently.
Igwe, whatever measure that can be taken before the intervention of the gods can only be done or decided by you.
Live forever. Igwe, I am made to believe that this thing is not actually a spirit. It's not an evil spirit, yes. This thing can be
An evil man masquerading himself as an evil spirit. A man so depraved that he will go ahead and rape and kill our women.
Can a mere man sleep with a woman and the woman goes back home and dry up?
A man that covets with bad spirits, acquires evil powers. He can go ahead and do all that. But I advise that we as men must rise up and protect our women. We must rise up and confront this spirit once and for all.
And how do you think we can go about it?
Your Highness, this spirit is a coward. I am not a coward. Yes, I am a dog. He's a coward. So I advise that from now on, we men must rise up to our responsibilities. We must take our wives and daughters to wherever they want to go. Yes.
Okunkwa, are you prepared to fight with the spirits? Or have you suddenly acquired supernatural powers that will help you to confront evil spirits face to face? Have you?
Your Majesty, have you seen what I'm saying? Huh? We have given this spirit a very big name. A name larger than fear. But I say, people like me, I am ready to face it anytime, any moment. He dare not try my compound for touching of my wives. Nonsense. Your Majesty, if Udo had done what he should have done as a man, I tell you, that spirit wouldn't have been able to snatch his wife from you. Nonsense. Cowardice is not part of the game. We must rise up and face our challenges as men. Otherwise, our women will face with dangers and we shall lose them very soon. All of them. Nonsense.
See, you missed too. Where were you when we were frying Gary at Ginika's place? You missed quite separate too.
It was my mother.
Hey.
We don't want to know where she sent you. Yes. Okay, let's go and take your trap from there. Now go.
Yes. All I'm telling you people now is you people should just clear your throat for bush rabbit pepper soup today. Yes. You see, all the bush rabbits, they love me. Yes, they don't only love me, they love my trap. So when they see my trap, they say, ahua! They enter inside my trap. And they are okay.
Not only rabbits. Ekene? Rabbit and chameleon cannot resist the trap of Almighty Ekene.
Thank you. Don't worry. Let us go and check my trap and then later I will escort you people to go and fetch your water. Yes. Yes. See, animals. What is it now? Guinea. Okay. Ekene. Okay, Guinea. Why are you disturbing everybody? Are you the only person who lives in the city?
What is going on?
What is not going on? Did you forget your eyes in the city? Guinea. What?
I swear.
My friend, get away. What's that?
Ekene, you're supposed to be with your mates. Look at the time. You're supposed to be with your mates. I mean, you should be reasoning and thinking of how to better your life and become a better person in the society. And you're here moving around with women.
Are you better? You carry a moving akpatiozu. You know this thing, this is motto looks like akpatiozu, a casket. Let me ask you people, you people that said you went to small school. What is the past tense of casket?
Casketes.
You don't know anything. It is castrated. Yes. Castrated. This motto and okay are castrated. They are castrated.
Castrated.
Don't touch this. You want to be castrated too? See this mouth you used to tell me that nonsense, This mouth you use it and be telling mechanic that will be disturbing this your castrated motor nonsense. Come carry this moving Pachoso out of here. Nonsense. Come on, get that from here. Castrated, okay? Castrated motor, castrated, okay? Leave here. Nonsense. Somebody. They think because they come from the city they can intimidate me. They don't know who I am. Scout Master Ahua in this village. Nonsense.
I like it.
Scout, we!
Wa!
We! Oski, we!
Oski, wa!
What is our motto?
Be prepared.
Good. Lot 3.
A scout duty is to be useful and help others.
Good. You, Lot 8.
A scout smiles and whistles under all difficulties, sir.
Good. Ekene, Lot 7.
A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
Good. Today we are going to the river side to clean the bank of the river as required of us as the scout of this community. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Sir, please, I need a separate question because you say we are going to clean the bank of the river. Let us not forget we have boys side and girls side. So what about the girls side? Because that's my interest. You know, that side is always dirty, and this is the time they take their bath. So are we still going to clean that side?
Ekene, what is Lot 7?
A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
Good. Attention! At ease. Attention! At ease. We'll leave that side for the guest brigade. Our duty is to serve the community and humanity.
Sabiko, another separate question. What about animality? You keep talking about humanity. What about animality?
Ekene, keep quiet! What is Lot 7?
Hi. A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
And for your information, we do not have animality. We have humanity.
I don't agree. Animals have their own litty, no. You say humanity. Animals have their own litty. Animality. Yes, because I love animals and animals love my trap.
Keep quiet, Ekene. Give us Lot 7 for the last time.
A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
Good.
I don't want to say it again, sir.
The animals do not love your trap. If they could talk, they would face you. Because you are the arch enemy, and God did not create them in his own image. Attention! At ease. Left turn. By the left, quick march. Shape. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, left.
Wow! You will not die early. Yes, your father must die before you. He must die, and we will celebrate his death. Your best before death will not come before your father's own. Yes.
Ekene! Go in the line. Sorry.
Ekene fulefu, isi konko we bad boy. Ekene bad boy, isi konko. Efulefu Ekene fulefu, isi konko. Mi fe nebe, owelo sense. Iya sekwa, mbeni ne kono.
You! Stop! Stop!
Elders of the council, it is now crystal clear that we are not dealing with a mortal being. We all trust Okaro as a gallant warrior if the challenge was mortal.
Your Majesty, the gods have gone to sleep. They are in deep slumber. Otherwise, why would they allow a wicked spirit to torment our hearts and minds? This time, he struck at me. I watched the spirit take away my wife from my hands. A warrior! Your Majesty, I'm not to dance with what the gods are doing until now.
I have sent for Ezemo. He will soon be here.
Let him better come before I do something abominable. Yes.
Igwe, you sent for me. Yes, and I guess you know why I sent for you. The monster has struck again, and this time at the heart of the council. A strike against Okaro is a strike against the authority of this kingdom.
He got my Karo, the very pride and color of beauty, the star that shines in my life. He took her away from me. I resisted him, but I could not. I shot at him. He couldn't go. I did all I could as a warrior. I was incapacitated. I got paralyzed and I was looking at him like a woman. I am done. My Karo.
I sympathize with you, Okaro. Igwe, I am sure that everyone here knows that the full moon is just only a few days away. The gods have promised to speak to us at full moon. It's unfortunate. It happened to Okaro.
And why would the gods wait until we are all consumed? Is it not their duty to protect us from bad spirits, from evil spirits? Huh? Look, Akwasina, when I saw Karo, when I discovered Karo, I went to the gods first and gave them their due before I went and took her as a wife. Now, why would they be in deep sleep and allow a coward evil spirit to go and manipulate me and take away my beauty from my presence? I demand an answer the more.
If I were you, I would speak with more respect about the gods. Igwe! I have honored your call. I do not need your call when the full moon comes. I know exactly what to do.
I need an answer. I need an answer. I need an answer.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
I need an answer from the God. Don't tell me this. It's either I get my Karo or I go there and burn on the shrine. I've told you. Hey.
Igwe, this whole thing has gotten out of hand. And the women of Umudim no longer feel safe in this community.
Yes, Igwe. We now live in fear. And we don't know who will be next. Please help us, Your Highness. Yes.
Women of Umudim, I share your pains. And I grieve as much as you do. I'm doing everything in my capacity to see the end of this terror. And I'm sure the gods will come to our rescue in no time.
Igwe, we no longer go to the farm. We don't even go to the river. We are now prisoners in our homes.
Igwe, we are running out of patience. The gods should come out with a solution to this problem.
Like I said earlier on, we are at the mercy of the gods. But I'm certain that they will come to our rescue. The women have turned my palace into a weeping ground. And worse still, we are becoming a disgusting lot to the people of Umudim. A young man came to take away his bride, only for her to be snatched by this evil that eats one cholong, money one cholong. Sheer madness. This is sheer madness. If I were like, it is now very clear to everybody that the gods of Umudim are in a very great slumber. They are in deep sleep. SMO, wake them up. Wake them up, or there will be no kingdom tomorrow. When the women are threatened to the point of locking themselves up, then Umudim is falling apart. Women are the cradle of life. The center from where everything flows. Hey, this is sad. But the ways and thoughts of the gods are hidden from the sons of men. We all must acknowledge that the gods are wise. What manner of wisdom undermines the lives and the security of the people? Oh, Igwe, the gods have spoken. My calling as Ezemo is to wait on them and not to force them. Enough. Enough of this waiting game. How long are we going to wait? We need solution.
Certainly, solution.
Even if it means forcing them, force them now. Yes, force them now. As it was
What?
First of the warriors. Hey, Ekene, you know that they said that the god of war will consume any woman that enters this house.
Yes. We dirty god of war. God of war where? God of war where? I've been inside this bush several times to get firewood. What are you telling me, god of war? God of which war? Because come, let's go.
No.
But what if they catch us?
What if they catch what?
They said the last woman caught in that forest later became mad. Yes.
I say none at all separate. I say super lie. What are you saying? The last woman. The truth is that Ezemo gave that woman one medicine that made her mad. That yes. Because let's go.
Maybe the ghost only appears when they see the woman.
Are you trying to say the gods are promiscuous? No, when they see a man, they won't appear. But when they see a woman with breasts, they will not appear. Let me tell you the truth. You see, Ezemo has been lying to all of you in this village. He knows something that I know. Now let me tell you. Ezemo doesn't want anybody to go into this forest. Yes! From generation to generation of his Ezemo family, they know this secret that I know. You see one firewood here, One firewood. I told you I get firewood here for my mother. One log of firewood here can last 7 days. Ekene! What are you saying? 7 days! 7 days! Ezemo knows this secret. That's why he doesn't want anybody in this village. They don't want anybody in this village. His whole generation, they don't want anybody in this village to get into this forest. You see this thing? Sorry. Decoration. There's nothing there. Let's go. But what? You want me to touch it with my hand so you believe? See. There's nothing here. Every time you be afraid for nothing. I'm telling you, Ezemo doesn't want anybody to know his secret. I know. Let's go inside here and get correct firewood. You're telling me what? Let's go.
My elders, abomination. It has happened.
What is it? What is the abomination?
The forest of the warriors has been violated.
Violated how?
I saw him. I saw Ekene with 3 girls right inside the forest of the warriors, fetching firewood.
But are you sure of what they have just said here?
My elder, as we speak, they are there.
No. This is not a child's play. Tell us exactly what happened.
I cannot lie to you. They are fetching firewood as we speak.
See, has anything happened to anybody? Well, I keep telling people, these people are just lying to you people. You won't accept.
You're too much. They've been deceiving us.
Don't touch me with that your thing. Please, don't touch me. What's that?
Maybe they are deceiving us.
I keep telling you, the Ezemo has been lying to everybody. His generation, they've been lying to everybody in this village. Greek, are you mad? Nen, are you mad? Nkechi, are you mad? Even though you behave like a mad person sometimes, but nobody is mad for now. What is it? Nobody is mad. These people keep lying to everybody. They keep lying to everybody. Rest first. Then we'll go home.
Ekene, can I touch that thing?
Touch! Leave my back. Don't touch.
Igwe, the oracle says that the girls are innocent, but this boy is the one that lured them into the forest of the warriors.
I am not surprised.
I won't lie, because I'm not afraid of you people. For once, yes, the oracle is right. For once.
Will you shut up your mouth? Has the oracle ever lied to you before?
Yes, sometimes the oracle used to lie. Yes, and this man knows one secret you people don't know about that forest too. Let me tell you. Why don't you tell them the firewood there is better?
Ezemo,
Igwe,
what does the God say
about the punishment for this Bobonzus.
Because the gods are wise, they know exactly what to do. The ball is in your court.
Birds of the same plumage flock together. Foolish girls and a foolish boy.
Or they call the Baba, or they call the Guru. Man.
You deserve the full wrath of the gods. But I have shown you mercy.
Shut up. Stop mission on it, man.
By overlooking your foolishness. But each of your parents will give us a bull.
Yeah. Who eats the bull?
Shut up.
You people.
Out of this non-entity, guards.
Your Highness.
Bring strong Kenan. Deal with him.
Yes.
I'm not afraid of your king, but who will eat this bull?
Who is going to eat the bull?
Keep quiet. My friend, why will your parents give them this final bull?
I said, get down.
Don't touch me until I reach down.
Move.
What are you waiting
Come on, there.
Deal with him mercilessly.
I will not cry in front of him. I will shout in front of
Today is your own turn, but yesterday was my own day. If not that Ginika said she has something to do for her mother, I would have won the first game, the next game, and the next game. Telling you.
Bad loser. You always complain when you lose.
Bad loser. Okay. All right. Wait, I have plans for you tomorrow. Don't worry. But see you. Yesterday, I saw some people who came from local government headquarters. They were wearing white. They said they came here to do something. Did anybody see them?
I saw them. They said they came to give immunization. They give all the children in school immunization. Yes.
Immunization?
Immunization.
Immunization. Medicine. Ha! Hope is not all those nonsense people who used to give small children medicine. When they now grow, they'll now start behaving like people who don't have sense at all. They won't be making sense. You don't know whether they are mad or they are not mad. Just the same way Nena's father behaved before he left her mother.
Stop. What's that?
But it's true now.
Ekene, no, let me tell you. My mother told me that immunization is the medicine they will give children to prevent them from being sick. Yes.
That's what they came here to do. Don't they know the problem of this village? Why don't they come and bring that immunization and give people of this village to prevent them from that evil spirit that is disturbing this village? Because let me hear what people should go to your house. Tomorrow, I'll catch you, no problem. I'll win tomorrow.
I'll always win you. So be ready for me.
Only a girl he really likes is the one that can convince him to turn around.
Mama, Ekene likes all his friends alike. He does not even know if they are girls. In fact, he sees them as boys. No opposite attraction whatsoever.
God forbid. Are you trying to tell me that my only son cannot function? His Madiana cannot do anything? Wait. Tell me, which of those his friends does he like the most?
Nena, Mama. I should think, yes. Yes.
Okay. You need to invite Nena over. I have a plan. I have to find out if my son's Madiana is really functional.
Mama, what are you planning?
Sister escorted you.
Yes, so she was escorting me. But you know, we're gisting. Before I could know it, it was too late for me to go home. Couldn't go home again.
Okay. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm just tired. I just need to sleep. So tired.
How is it going?
She is lying beside him. At least they're making progress. Very soon, I will go back to my observation point.
Mama. Ekene, how is he reacting?
Ekene doesn't feel very comfortable. He's been shifting. She too, she has been following him.
What else would you expect? He was not expecting anything close to this.
Okay? Yes. I just pray that the gods would help us, so that they will take away this spell or curse that has been put upon him.
But Mama, why are you so sure this is the solution?
A woman is the cradle of life. When you start having your own children, you will understand what I'm talking about. And as you're thinking about that, let me go back to my observation point. Achomino, Mama Swahwana.
Mama.
I thought you preferred the bed.
I like the warmth here.
You like the warmth on the floor? Okay. And then now what kind of place this time?
Ekene, I want your touch. I want to feel your touch.
What touch? My torchlight? Huh? I want to give you my torchlight.
Ekene, are you a kid? Not a kid now, eh? Please just stick.
You want stick? Okay, let me go and get you stick outside.
No, wait now. Please just stick. Your stick.
Huh?
Your stick.
I will shout, oh! I will tell my mother, what's this now? I greet you.
I reject your greeting with the name of the gods of Umudim. What are you doing here?
Oyi, you are rejecting my greeting. A greeting that is capable of curing any kind of fever.
Medicine that will come from an idiot like you can only paralyze somebody's life.
Anyway, somehow, kind of way. Prophet is never noticed in his village, but not to worry. I'm looking for Onyi.
You're looking for Onyi?
My guy.
A small boy that you're old enough to be his father.
I'm looking for him. Yes. Hey, Onyi, my guy. Onyi, my guy, tell your mother we are going places. Tell your mother we are moving higher. Yes. Tell your mother that from Boy Scout we are going to Manowar. Yes. From Manowar we are going to be in charge of this village. Yes. From village security we are moving to army. From army we are going to navy. Yes. From navy to submarine navy. Yes. Then from submarine navy we go to land navy. Yes. Then from land navy we go to air navy. Yes. Then again from air navy we will go to moon navy.
Why will you get inside? Stupid boy. And you, don't come and infect my son with your disease. Just go!
Somehow, anyhow, kind of how, a prophet is never noticed in his village. But Moon Navy, me and this guy, we are going.
Don't worry,
Submarine Navy,
I will tell your mother to
Land Navy,
and bring those white garment prophets. Maybe they can help you. big boy. Let me see these your tiny legs in my house again.
Oh, Okonkwo.
Ogbefe Okonkwo.
Hey.
Ogbefe Okonkwo. Nah, go on, Ms. Gonito. Is he well at all?
Hey, Dikeh, the man is gone. Hey, to him, it is like death should come immediately and pick him off. Hey.
He loved his Karo. Yes. He loved his Karo. But I'm convinced, very convinced, that the spirit came for her because he disregarded and insulted the spirits. Yes. The mortals must learn to know their bounds.
What surprises me most is that that man has 3 wives, very beautiful wives, and yet he invests his life, his whole entire life, on the youngest one. Why?
Obefu Gumba, leave the things of the spirit for the spirits. Okonkwo's sin is a man who challenged his chi in a wrestling match. The end is always fatal.
I hope that today the moon will complete its cycle so that the gods will come to our rescue. We have been waiting for them, and even hoping that Okonkwo's issue will be the end.
Ogumba, the gods are wise. The gods are wise, yes.
I hope you are not presuming. Because this evil spirit is almost visiting every home in this community. Now tell me, what did Udo do before the evil spirit took his wife?
Ogumba, we live in a strange world indeed.
Hey!
Woman! The God of Isaiah is my God. Holy God! There's nothing impossible for him to do. We have gone with our final solution.
It's not me that the thing is doing. It's my son.
Yeah, I know. Attack! Ooh, Shadiba! Die, mama! That demon. Let's go.
Attention! Shun! At ease. Shun! Anytime the scout sees an enemy, he should not fear. What did I say?
When a scout sees an enemy, you should never be afraid.
If a scout is in the bush and he sees any bush meat, he should not fear. The scout should only say, "We,
Wa,
we,
Wa,
Awio,
Awa."
Good. If you see even the biggest bush meat, you should have confidence. And you say, "We,
Wa,
we,
Wa,
Awio."
Awa.
Good.
Can you see what I'm talking about? Come inside. Hey, that is him. That's the, you see what I'm talking about?
Elijah, holy. Da Imam, Awa. Da Imam, Awa. Holy, Elijah, holy. I need a very long cane. The taco. Scouts. We attack enemy.
Report back to base.
You're in my house. You're not afraid. Eh? I should attack, you attack. In my house.
Scouts! Attack enemy! 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 Attack enemy!
Okosisi kuchiri ụzọ na-eri ube mma nwoke teghete ana m ajụ ozugbo gịnị na-emezi full moon full moon full moon.
My father, the king, looks worried.
My adorable princess, your father, the king, has a lot to think about.
You taught me that if God gives a child big teeth, he also gives him big lips to cover them up.
When the grass cutter grows too old to forage for food, its offspring begins to feed it. Go ahead, my adorable princess, and teach me the wisdom of the ancient.
I had the best teacher in the whole world. It's not difficult to guess what is on the king's mind. The king is not in his worries alone. The entire people of Umudim are living in fear.
That is my greatest worry. When your subjects live in fear under any circumstances, they will soon lose confidence in your ability to protect them.
Have the gods heard my cry and sent you.
Igwe.
You are here on time.
Tomorrow, at the first light of the day, all the youths of Umudim between the ages of 25 and 30 shall gather before the oracle. And the gods, in their mercy and wisdom, will choose one of them ordained to destroy that evil spirit that plagues Umudim. That is the good news from the gods.
Anyanwu ụtụtụ nekwe oluo na omume. Hey! Ise anyị wa ogodo. Ichekwuru iche ọkanda.
Waka. Marika Gumagana. Marika Gumagana. Okolobia Mokategate. Ogugwe Jeneta Oshimili. Okawubu. Ogugwe Jeneta Oshimili. Omega na. Aluso bodo anye gwazenu moku do lu na mumu mana agbu ekelu nwangbele elu otuto. Wakane mu obia kana. Mgbagbo alụsị obodo anyị ọbụzi gịnị na-emezi ajụjụ ka m na-ajụ ọbụ gịnị na-emezi n'ezie nụ ịgbara na egwu ekele nwa mgbele elu ọtụtụ egwu ekele nwa mgbele elu gwa ọtụtụ gwakene m nke m ga-eme ndị m dịkwana n'ezie kwere m nke m ga-eme n'ezie. Ekene? Ekene Odum.
No! No! Nguro na gije. Hey!
Ekene Odum has been chosen.
Hey!
Elufa? No. Diga ni da bolojo. Imana diga ni da bolojo n'ezie. Buodike, agwobosa agwazoba dike. Nwa na mushinugo nwa gwodaje nwa odu osineye. Na mabe woteberu nwa kwa fu mado. Asi mo ogugwe je na to simini bia kere bia fu manya. Hey! Give yeah.
That is a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Wait.
What if the gods have totally chosen you to fight against evil spirits? So what will you do? Tell me.
The gods didn't choose me anything. The gods didn't choose me. They didn't choose me anything. This is a plan by those evil people to eliminate me. They want to kill me. That's what they want to do. They want to kill me. But they will fail. They will fail because I won't die. I will expose them. Yes.
Okay, let me tell you. I heard the king said he will reward anybody that kills the spirit.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Those people want to kill me. They want to eliminate me. I'm telling you something. They want to eliminate me. They know I am going to expose them. And then Kangatom separate. So I will separate their evil from good in this village. Yes, I will expose them.
Think about the reward.
Leave that thing. Leave that thing. Leave that thing. I will expose them.
Ekene, today I'm going to teach you how to do the real hunting. Ekene, this is not your regular rat and rabbit hunting. This is hunting for real men.
Ugochukwu, don't ever insult me. I am a scout, and scouts are never afraid. When we get into the forest, you will know who a real soldier is. We were.
Wait, Ekene. When you get to the bush, is this how you will salute the animals?
Yes. Animals love me, and I love them too. Yeah. When I get into the bush, animals will gather, and I will tell them, "Awi." They will answer, "Awa."
Ekene. If you try this nonsense in the bush, all the animals will run away and our mission will fail. So I suggest you put your Boy Scout in your pocket and follow the real men for hunting.
Hey! My people. Where have you people been? I've looked for you everywhere. Huh?
Yeah, we accompany Nena to her Yamban to work there. Yes.
Okay, when I didn't see you people, I decided to follow these stupid boys and go hunting.
Hunting?
Yes, hunting.
Well, I don't know why I should follow you people and go hunting, Seth.
Ekene, are you a goat? Are you leaving us here?
Don't talk like that. So these are my people. These are my people. They don't insult me. Don't mock me because they are my people.
Ekene, are you leaving us for these things? I mean, we.
Never ever you in your life call my friends these things. Because you see these things, they don't mock me.
Yes.
These things, they don't laugh at me.
Yes.
These things, they love me. And I love them because they are my people.
A goat will always be a goat. Ekene, you are ashamed to manhood.
You, can't you see you've been rejected by womanhood? Why am I even following people? Say, let's go.
Look at this. Look at it. Don't worry. When you go cashless in this village, you understand what I'm saying. And he's trying to show you.
Ekene, Mama and I wish you the best of city life. And please, when you get there, do not disgrace us. And don't forget us as well. Oh?
You people think I'm just part of your property that you can just move anyhow. Okay, I know you people want me out of your lives. No problem, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going.
Ekene, a word of advice. Learn to talk and speak like an adult when you get to the city. You will need it. One more thing, Mom. Because learn to always tell yourself the truth.
What truth?
Like I know you're going to the city because of what the Igbo said that there's more expected of you.
If you like, you call me lazy. If you like, you call me coward. All I'm saying is that I'm going. I am going. And if I should get comfortable in that city, you will look for me. You won't see me again. No, I'm telling you now. Okay.
Ekene, the gossip is that you are the last Umudim virgin. And that is why you were chosen by the oracle. That is a shame we will bear in your absence.
Is that what you people have been saying? No, Mama, is that what you people have been saying? Because I'm a virgin. That's the gossip people have been gossiping here, eh? Okay, don't worry.
We know a few people that will miss you though.
Yes, I know people that will miss me. If you won't miss me, I know people that will miss me. The animals will miss me, the lizards will miss me, the scouts will miss me because I'm special to them and him and her separate.
Okay, now, welcome.
What's this nonsense?
What is what nonsense? Are you not the one who said I should follow you to the city?
Of course. Is that why you're putting on this rubbish like this catapult and this beret that makes you look like one tapa I know from Ozuakol?
Scout Ekene, we were never dies and can never change. Thank you.
There is no bush in the city for hunting. People in the city do business. That is what they do.
Have you gone to the city before?
See, I don't have time for all these arguments. Please, let's go. The city is a very long journey.
Leave my car. See, I heard the city is very far and armed robbers are on the way. So if I get there, I have to show them that I'm a military personnel. So they will see me, they will get afraid and they will say, march on.
Will this a catapult, Abi?
I think I should wear my full uniform.
No, leave it. When you get to the city, you wait, because please leave it.
Move it.
Wait first.
I'll keep it for you.
Let's go. I don't have time.
What? Attention!
For what? A bloody civilian.
Carry your bag. Handle it.
Just say bye-bye to me for the last time. Okay.
Sure.
If I get too comfortable, you will see me. You have time to change your mind now.
Scout, we are going to happen.
We salute you. Goodbye. Hey, only second enemy. Finally, he has gone to the city.
I've been thinking of Okonkwo's words the very day he challenged the gods. Though I cautioned him then, but his words keep resonating in the deep of my mind.
Igwe, maybe we should look at the trouble at our hand. Do we the warriors not say that an unusual threat deserves an unusual strategy?
You speak in parables. Please, can you make it very clear?
Igwe, what if the gods, in their supernatural wisdom, decided that an imbecile can take on an enemy who is stronger than the strongest man in the land?
Igwe, you will live forever. I did not come here because of the choice of the gods. When I got your summon, I thought Ezemo would be here, so that he would tell us on a very clear terms why the gods must allow this spirit to enter the land in the first place.
Let us lead by example. We must not allow our personal loss to becloud our sense of responsibility. Are we going to be the Umudim council that taught the people to question the gods?
I don't blame you because you don't know what it takes to. We have to move forward. I'm beginning to see wisdom in our Hakim's reasoning. What if the gods have decided that a despised fellow like Ekene will have to tackle an equally despised spirit? These things are beyond us as mortals. But the thing now is, how do we get Ekene to do all that has been bestowed upon him by the gods?
Igwe, the gods who made such decisions will also make provision to accomplish it. But first of all, let us bring that boy down to this place and then find out from him his disposition to handle the task at hand.
Oh, where's your Gumba? I will have to agree with you.
Just take a look at them. Look at the reason of red cap chiefs, men who are supposed to be referred to as men of timber and caliber. Look at them before the presence of their king. Your Majesty, look at the Ekene in question. Look at the imbecilic Ekene. Our kingdom is now reposing confidence in him. Your Majesty, let me let you know this. The gods must have made a serious mistake. How can a one-legged goat chase a lion? Is it possible? Oyala or Nachoyala? I'm asking you. Oyala or Nachoyala? I don't believe in wasting my time for nothing. You can go ahead and say what you want to say. Nonsense.
Ekene,
you are jumping too high and running too fast. You mean your son left for the city just a day after the gods chose him for an assignment? I take it that you sent him away to avoid going for the mission.
Your Majesty, Ekene is a mature person. He's old enough to take his own decisions.
I disagree with you, woman. Ekene has no brain of his own. And so he cannot run away from the mission of the gods. He is less than a child.
Everybody in this community knows what I've been through trying to raise that boy.
So you sent him away because you had troubles raising him, isn't it?
No. I woke up this morning and he was gone. His friend Oke came from the city and took him away.
Don't forget that nobody runs away from the mission of the gods.
Woman, you must do everything within your purview to bring him back. Am I understood?
Wait, I cannot do that now. I can't promise.
What are you talking about, woman? Are you refusing the royal majesty?
No, I'm only telling the truth.
The truth is that Ekene is nobody.
Hi.
You simply recall home.
I am not here for your old stories. Okwinanu, get me NC, get me. Go and do it now.
See this girl?
Get me.
Who will make me see?
That's not what this thing here.
What is going on? What is going on?
Look at this girl I just gave you now. Hold on.
I asked him to go and get the food stuff from the booth, nothing else.
So, why are you still wasting time? Go and get the things now. Go to the booth there. I think we have some food stuff there. Take it. Take it and go.
Hey.
I have a present for you.
What is it, honey?
You have a phone now.
This is lovely.
Yeah. More in the bedroom. More surprises in the bedroom.